and vibe. That is it, people. I hope everybody's all right. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. Today we are in Newcastle. Yes, content, music videos, pictures, this, all type of things is going on. We're in Newcastle. We actually landed yesterday, so I'm gonna flick in some bits and bobs from what I recorded yesterday, but it's like the different angle. So I'll chuck them in here and there. We're in Newcastle. Aye, man. Outside. Let's go. First, today, we are shooting a music video for one of my new songs. Obviously, you wouldn't shoot a video for an old song. Maybe you would if you didn't do the video, but I'm just chatting shit now. Yeah, so we're outside. First thing is music video. Well, I'm gonna get some food first. I think I need to get a new outfit, because I only wear a few outfits. Yeah. Ready to leave the hotel. Chilling out. Yeah. Caviar Studios.
Caviar here. Let's
Yeah.
go, man.
Music video today. Like I said today, this is for my YouTube. So basically yesterday we done photo shoot. I told them we're gonna put clips in of that. But this is the team, this is the main guy. Big up Smiler, I don't know where he is. He's around somewhere. But yeah, basically we're just setting up the first scene, which is a laser scene. And then we're gonna get changed, do the first scene, and then we're gonna go into another scene after that. But I'll keep you updated, YouTube. We're always and fully active. That is it, Caviar Studios. If you're in Newcastle, it's the right place. I'm gonna put their Instagram right there. First scene.
So we'll do a green one and a yellow one, yeah?
All right then. That is it, Cook and Vibe. Reactive. Now, do you know what it is, people? As you can see, I've been in the garden doing the episodes and I caught the sun, so we're just moisturising a little piece. Big up the makeup artist. Make sure you check her out on Instagram and TikTok. I'm going to put her links below. Oh, sorry.
Don't fight each other.
Goodbye, bro. First scene. Crazy. Oh, they active. Mad, isn't it? Outside, big up. Newcastle vibes. Big up, my bro. That is it. Different. I'm telling ya. It's different. It's mad, bro. It's mad. Yeah, you can't see too much. But big up the team, man. Everyone's active. Big up everyone that's here. We're here. That is it. Outfit change. Laser change. Bosh. That is it, people. So this one is for the cook of the Cook and Vibers. This one's for the cooking people. So in Newcastle, they've got this thing called Parma. All right. I've never heard of it before in my life. So basically what it is, it's like a pizza, but it's like just like a slab of like fried chicken underneath. It's like fried chicken underneath, and then like you can have like different things like pepperoni or whatever you want on it. It's new. It was all right, man. It was nice. But they was really, really proud of it as well. But yeah, I tried it. It was nice. So big up Newcastle and big up the Palmers. Yeah, man, I'll show you a little clip right now.
Eu vou ganhar 10 likes, bro. Tô a pôr a foto nisso there, man. What is it?
That is it. Different outfit, different shoot now, people. Thank you for your services. Got you on camera here. Freshened me up. Another change, people, and another freshen up. Now I look 25. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah?
Yeah. Vintage set. Look at that, people.
Can we have the TV on as well, please?
TV. Crazy, there's smoke coming out of drawers and all sorts of stuff going on.
I'm hoping you are having...
I'm having fun. I'm having the time of my life. Yeah. That is it, people. Active. my G, man, Rez. Big up yourself, my G. He's done the maddest painting. Big him up. We're going to tag him. We're going to put his Instagram here. We're on YouTube now, but watch this, people. When you see this, this is crazy. Crazy. Look at that. And he painted this from an image just from yesterday. Look at that, people. Mad, isn't it? Good vibes. This is the little changing room for the day. So we've done one music video. Now we're gonna do our next of all, something. It's a wrap, people. Dingy little table over there, the man there with all the straps. Mad thing. So we just done different shoot for a Bad Man song. And then we done a one take of that with Smiler. And yeah, it's been a fucking day. Big up to the boss.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Caviar Studios.
Blessings, man.
It's been a crazy day.
Mad.
It's been a crazy day.
Come on, M-Dot.
It's a wrap. That is it. Newcastle Caviar Studios, M.R. outside. Fucking beer content and beer things. It's been a good vibe, man. Really good vibe. Big up the man them. Where we finish off the shoot.
Mad location.
Yeah, man. Newcastle. This is it, people. And that's the end of the Newcastle episode. What a vibes, man. Photo shoots. What was it? Sounds beaming there. Photo shoots, video shoot, clips, content, crazy, connecting with the fans, picture, mad. Going back to London. That is it. Let's go. See you soon, people.